Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your creative skills with Adobe. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening Adobe Creative Cloud on your computer. Select the application that best suits your creative project, such as Photoshop, Illustrator, or Premiere Pro. Familiarize yourself with the workspace by exploring the various panels and tools available. Use the tutorial feature within the application to learn about specific tools and functions. Start a new project by selecting a template or creating a custom size. Experiment with different features and tools to discover what they do. Take advantage of keyboard shortcuts to streamline your workflow. Utilize online resources such as Adobe's official website and forums for additional tutorials and tips. Join creative communities or forums to share your work and receive constructive feedback. Challenge yourself with small projects to apply what you've learned. Create a mood board to gather inspiration from various sources. Set specific goals for your creative sessions to stay focused and motivated. Allow time for exploration and play. Experimentation can lead to unexpected ideas. Regularly review your work to identify areas for improvement. Learn from other artists or designers by following their work or tutorials. Stay updated with the latest features and updates in your Adobe applications. Use plugins and extensions to enhance your creative capabilities. Practice consistently. The more you use the tools, the more proficient you will become. Consider taking an online course to deepen your knowledge of specific applications. Document your process and progress to track your improvement over time. Finally, remember that increasing your creative skills is a journey, so enjoy the learning experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.